are going to make toast. To make toast, you need bread, a knife that is not sharp, jelly, butter, a plate, and a toaster. First, you open your bread package and take out one piece of bread. You put the bread in the toaster and push down. We can wait for it to pop up. Wait. Be careful not to touch it because it gets very hot. When it pops up, you can take it out very carefully and put it on your plate. You can either put jelly or butter on your toast. Today I want both, so I'm going to cut my bread in half. Now I have 2 pieces of bread. I'm going to first put on butter. Open the container. Get a little bit of butter. That's a lot of butter. Let's just get a little bit of butter and put it onto one side of the toast. If you have too much butter, you can wipe it on the side like that. On the other side, I'm going to put jelly. You squeeze it out. And you spread it on the toast. The last step is to eat it. First, I'm going to take a bite of jelly. I like it. Next, I'm going to take a bite of the butter.